Sheesh, Merry Christmas. Came home to some early Christmas presents. Thank you, Soju. Thank you for bringing it in. Look at this fool. Fat dog. I think there's a problem, guys. All these languages, and I speak none of them. Tragic. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't already know what we're doing today, I got me I thought I was gonna guess a pair, but apparently I only got one side, bruh. But these are what are they called? Original ATE parts, speed sensors that I need for my car, because apparently my car's speed sensor is broken and it's throwing a bunch of codes. Turn this down a little bit. Alright, so we're in my car now. I have to speak a little louder. Sorry if that sounds like I'm yelling, but my car is kind of loud. Alright, but as you can see, when your speed sensor is out, you will get these 3 lights on your dashboard, and it's gonna look like Christmas came early. Alright, you gotta get your yellow brake light, your ABS light, and the DBC light. And if you come over here to your control, your vehicle status, you'll see it all of these pop up. It's like Christmas came early up in this beach. Alright, let me just turn off my car so I don't have to keep yelling at you guys. Alright, so like I said, these cars are notorious for, you know, running through not brake lines, running through the speed sensor line, stuff like that. And the only reason why I know it's a speed sensor problem is because I had a friend of mine who has a scanner, who scanned it for me. I had him scan it for me, and it says I gotta switch out my driver's side front speed sensors. So that's what we're gonna do today. And luckily it's in the front, because I heard the front is a lot easier than the back. Anyone wants to get me some stud conversion? Hit me up, please. I want some stud conversions. Ooh, your boy is rubbing a little bit right here. Jesus, that's not good. Oh, a little bit right here too. Should we go lower though? I want to go lower. Alright, so if you look right here, this is your brake sensor right here. But the one below it, this one, it routes all the way to the back. You can see, if you follow the line, you'll see where it ends, and at the bottom of it, that's where you gotta unscrew it, and it is a wow. This one's actually very loose. I just literally took that off of my hand. It looks like a Torx. I don't know if it's BMW, probably a Torx 25 T25. But wow, that thing was not on there, and that might be the reason why it doesn't work. Insane, bruh. Okay, so now let's see if we can take that out now. There we go. Got the bottom of it. The Torx go right there. Just follow it. Now you just follow the rest of the line. Pretty self-explanatory. Just follow it with your hands. Okay, and it should go back into this box right here. So open it up. There it is. That's the box. I mean, that's the wire. Pull it out. Just kidding. I am actually a liar. I lied to you guys. It's not the top one. It's actually the bottom one, this darker one. My bad. I'm a liar. But yeah, just take that out. Okay. Just make sure you get all these little pushing tabs, whatever you call it, little pushing. Get it out. Unsecure it right here. There's a tab. Just press down on it, pull out. It should come right off. There's your old sensor. Out with the old and in with the new. And now to put it back, just make sure you put everything in reverse. Make sure everything's secure back into their tabs. You don't want anything flying around as it will get caught. And you're gonna have to replace it again. Let me put that back real quick. Now let me show you from down here how it's routed. Yeah, so you just put that little end back in here. Close everything. Comes out the back here. Alright, make sure you clip that on, this one. And you follow that up to here. So right here, follow that up to here. Clip it up. Over here, make sure you clip that. And it goes down and back into where you took it out from. Oh, it's a little dark in here, but where is it? Where is it? It only goes in one way. Line up the hole for your torque screw right here, and now just tighten that down with your T25, I believe. Let me check right now, because when I took it out, I just took it out by my hand, bro. That shit wasn't on there. I lied to you once again. It's actually a T30. I'm sorry, guys. I've been lying to you too much today, but it's actually a T30. Just get that tightened out. Oh, I'm starting to think that the wire might not be the problem. Is actually how loose that bolt was. So we'll put the wheels back on and we'll check, see what happens. Alright, so we got that sensor installed. Hopefully it works out, everything works out. And if anyone is running reaction coilovers, let me know what you think about them. I bought the car with the reaction coilovers on there. I don't know how I feel about them and don't know anything about them. And I am looking at swapping them out for some Fortunatos, because we're trying to get the stance boy look, okay? Alright, let's get back in the car. And let's go for a test drive real quick and see if it actually resets. Check this out though. As you can see, the lights just turned off, and you know what that means? It means our install worked. Yes sir, yes sir. As you guys know, when you are having those codes, you lose access to first gear. They don't let you do this. Yes sir, works. I'll be honest with you guys, I was very doubtful of it working, because I thought it was gonna be the wheel bearing, but glad it all worked out. Glad that it is the front wheel too and not the back. Alright, let's go back to the house. Alright, so we're back at the house now, and I'm so glad that it fixed the problem that I was having, because you know how miserable I've been? You know how miserable I've been driving around with no first gear? I get passed by a Prius, I get passed by a Camry. But my defense though, those cars are getting faster and faster these days, okay? I don't know what they put in it, the Ultima with the grandma in it. Jesus, that fool smoked me. But yes, this is again the old wire. Nothing looks wrong with it, you know? It doesn't look broken or anything. So I am very doubtful that's the wire. It might be because of that bolt being so loose, because I do notice that when you get the lights, it turns on and off, and I do notice that it does turn on and off occasionally. So I'm just assuming that the bolt is just bouncing around in there. But yes sir, thank God it's an easy fix. Oh, and if you guys are not fortunate enough to have a friend that has a tester, an expensive ass BMW scanner, I guess you just have to swap them out each one by one and find out if it's actually broken. But yeah, again, got my speed sensor from FCP Euro, which is also a lifetime warranty, so if anything happens, I'll just return it again. I want it for free. But yeah guys, that concludes the video for today. I know it's a little short one. The install wasn't that. I was expecting it to be a lot longer, to be honest, but the install was pretty easy. If you know your left from your right, you could probably do this install yourself. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.